Brandon. I'm 12 years old. I go to Munja Elementary School. Today I will introduce an amazing animal cheetah to you. Cheetahs are very fast. Cheetah's speed is the same as freeway speed limit. And cheetahs eat many animals. They search gazelle and impala. They are fast too, but cheetahs faster, so they can eat them. But cheetah's jaw is not strong, and cheetahs don't fight fair. They only fast. Cheetahs lose the food lose 40 to 50% lose food for cheetah, hyena and lion. How poor, but their backbone muscle is very strong, so they no doubt a perfect predator. Thank you for listening.